Right guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today is just a very short video. I just wanted to show you a bit of the wildlife that's already sort of interested in the kind of ponds and things like that. Just been sort of standing here having an evening coffee, and a bird is just literally 10 feet away from me, 5 feet away from me, just in this little stream area here. Has decided to kind of have a bath and play, so I'll just show you that video here. But with that said, guys, yeah, really nice to see that the kind of wildlife and is already starting to kind of come to the ponds. And I think that's kind of part of the draw of having the ponds, as well as you get a lot of nature alongside it, which is always nice. So have a quick look. It's about a minute long of the bird playing. Following from that, guys, if you have not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Got a lot of content coming out soon. Ferns are all starting to pop now. Really nice to see everything really starting to come out. Just quickly show you one here, the Gyropterus ones that has already started to put out nice knuckles and starting to pop out. So really good to see that these have transplanted well as well. But with that said, I'll just jump to the bird having a little play. And certainly, guys, if you have not checked out the friends of the channel yet, certainly feel free to do so. And with that said, certainly check out some of the more recent videos we put out. If you haven't checked out the garden tour from this April, certainly feel free to do so. You just may have seen a bird just land there as well. But with that said, guys, we'll jump straight into it. So as you can see there, guys, the bird certainly had a bit of enjoyment there, playing around in the stream area. Again, that's kind of why we've decided to kind of build lots of different features in the garden. Just gives the wildlife lots of different areas to take advantage of, everything from sort of deep to shallow to sort of stream. Just the idea of running water does seem to, really bring sort of wildlife and nature in. And, certainly as this area does fill out and, we kind of get a lot of ground cover here, it won't just be this barren ground. Again, I think it should really sort of attract a lot of the wildlife there, and hoping, maybe even see some frogs and things like that. But yeah, guys, with that said, certainly check out the friends of the channel if you haven't already. Be in the comments section. Drop a comment below. Let us know, if you've started seeing sort of an increase of wildlife, as the spring kind of comes along and as the weather warms up. And other than that, guys, should be some more content coming out soon. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.